Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage sounds for notifications in Messenger app. And to do this we'll need to click on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. Now select this gear icon and right here you'll find notifications and sounds, and by default they are set to off. You can enable them by clicking on the switch and allowing notifications. Now let's go back, and here you can manage those settings even further by enabling or disabling notifications previews, show names and messages in your toolbar. Then you can enable or disable to wake up your phone when you receive a notification, change notification sound, change ringtone sound, and enable your phone to vibrate during ringtones. In-app sounds like when you type in on your keyboard or when you when somebody else starts typing. Then there's new friend notifications, and you can also manage the notifications even further by clicking right here. You can customize the badge, banners on lock screen, and etc. There's many different settings here. You can experiment however you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.